Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello my students. How are you today?
I'm fine.
I will check the participant first. Yeah, I think there are two students who is absent today. They are Faji Sabato and Arben. I hope they can join with our team today. I will ask you to fill the student attendance list. Okay, now please click the link and then fulfill the student attendance list.
Okay, my friend, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
Read the health protocol. Jadi Pak Heru ingin menginformasikan kalian ya, tidak bosan-bosannya untuk mengingatkan kalian to keep your health, untuk tetap menjaga kesehatannya with 3M.
I lost my cat. Have you seen a cat around here?
What is your cat look like?
Persian cat with white and orange fur. My cat has long fur and clean.
I'm sorry, I don't see your cat.
What happened with Yasmin? Apa yang terjadi dengan Yasmin?
Yasmin lost her cat.
Second question, what does her cat look like? Okay, I will start the quiz and then get the link. There are 5 questions for you. Ada 5 pertanyaan buat kalian. Can you see the presentation?
Yes.
Pak Hairul punya 2 teks ya buat kalian. This is about bird ya, ada bird. And then the second text is about rabbit. I want you to read the text first. Silakan di antara kalian yang mau baca teksnya, raise your hand. Oke, silakan. What's your name please?
Radita.
Okay, Radita. Good. Radita, please read the text.
Billy is the name of my parrot.
I bought him years ago at the bird market. I was interested in buying this bird because he is funny and tame. Benny is a crooked big bird. He is a medium bird. He has a beautiful orange beak. He has feather. His feathers color is green. He has 2 legs. His legs are brownish color. His has small and clear. Every morning I feed him some corn. Sometimes I give him vegetables like carrot and broccoli. Once in a while I give him apples and bananas. Benny and I are like close friends. When I'm sad, he can entertain me with his melodious voice. When I am happy, he looks very happy too.
Oke, next teks berikutnya siapa tadi? Barusan yang acukan tangan.
My cute rabbit. I have a pet. It is a rabbit. I named him Berjo. My rabbit is very big.
After you read the text, I will divide you into 4 groups. I will share the link to each group. Clara Bella bisa join ke linknya?
Bisa Pak, bisa.
Silakan masuk ke masing-masing grup. Ini ada grup 1 tentang parrot. Slide kedua adalah pertanyaan untuk text 1, parrot, dan slide ketiga untuk kelompok 1 juga. Nah, untuk kelompok 2 yang mana? Kelompok 2 adalah my rabbit. Jadi kamu fokus ke my rabbit. I want you to find the specific information. Okay? Elviana sudah mencoba. Oke, Fatul answer ya seperti yang Fatul lakukan ya, yang sudah ketika kita menggunakan Google Doc, kita tetap menggunakan nama kamu dalam kurung ya. Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan? Halo, attention please. Ya, silakan.
What is noun?
Noun. Oke, Nabila. Nabila di sini bertanya noun. Nah, untuk language feature itu ada simple present, ada adjective kata sifat kan, kemudian ada noun. Ya, Nabila, kalau noun itu dalam bahasa Indonesia itu kata bendanya. Kalau kata benda berarti bisa dilihat, ya bendanya ada, ya bentuknya ada bisa dilihat, ada bentuk, bisa dilihat, bisa diraba, itu kata benda. Ya.
Kalau aktif itu termasuk kata sifat nggak?
Karakternya termasuk karakter sifat. Aktif ya, ada big, ada fast, ya jadi fast, active, slow, jadi termasuk ya. Thank you for group discussion ya, grup diskusinya tadi ya sudah berjalan dengan baik. Now I want you to present. Jadi okay, you are group 4. Okay, next I want you to read it for the other group.
He has 4 legs, he has short tail, he has big line, he has black spots, and what does he eat? He's a cat. Long, short, fat, active, white. It is simple present has noun. It is white fur. It is long ears. It is big eyes. And to be plus adjective, it is fat. It is very big and it is very active.
Okay, thank you very much. Tadi kita sudah melakukan group discussion, kemudian you are with your group try to find the specific information, and then also you try to find the language feature. Yeah, I will give you some explanations ya tentang materi yang dipelajari hari ini. How to describe animal? Bagaimana kalian mendeskripsikan animal? Jadi jika kalian ingin mendeskripsikan binatang, biasanya kalian akan yang tadi kita pelajari adalah find the specific information. Pertama yaitu ada name-nya. Apa sih yang kalian deskripsikan? Misalnya, it is snake, it is giraffe. Kemudian how about size? Kemudian ukurannya. Oke. I will evaluations and assessment nanti ya linknya nanti Pak akan bagikan. Nah, first of all I want you to write your name is for example Arsita seperti ini dari Live Worksheet ya. Kemudian kelasnya kelas berapa, misalnya kelas 7, 10, and then answer what is it. Kamu silakan choose one of the animal below and then answer the question below. Jadi kamu silakan pilih salah satu binatang di sini ya, kalau kamu sukanya yang mana atau random saja. For example, you like about animal, maka kamu di sini pertanyaannya ada what is it, kamu tulis misalnya ada it is animal. Kemudian karakternya seperti tadi ya. Kemudian what is the animal size, kemudian and then ada what does the animal eat, apa yang dimakan oleh binatang ini, kemudian where is the animal. Kalau sudah don't forget to write your name, kalau sudah silakan finish ya. Oke. Ini adalah multiple choice sama dengan yang tadi. Ini nanti di akhir ada nama ya, kamu cukup baca teksnya. There are 15 question ya, kamu cukup baca teksnya, kemudian silakan diisi. Get the information from the text. Do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan? There are some things don't you understand about the material? Tidak ada? Oke, kalau tidak ada materi untuk minggu depan, we are going to create a descriptive text. Please take a picture of your pets and we are going to create a descriptive text about your animal. Dan kita akan mencoba membuat ya descriptive text dari binatang peliharaan kamu.
Pak, kalau misalkan mengambil gambarnya dari hewan liar gitu boleh nggak pakai kucing-kucing di pinggir jalan atau yang lewat?
Oke, we can say stray cat ya, kucing jalanan itu stray cat ya, boleh, tidak apa-apa ya. Kamu nanti kalau emang suka kucing tapi tidak mau memelihara juga boleh ya, atau binatang yang kamu sukai itu yang akan kita deskripsikan nanti. Do you still have any question? Tidak ada? Oke, kalau tidak ada, I will remind you again to keep your health, tetap menjaga kesehatan, apply 3M, ya terapkan 3M di sekolah, di rumah, ya ataupun ketika keluar. To close our activity today, I want Fatul, Fatul is lead the play.
Okay, my friends, to close our activity, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Thanks for your joining in this meeting. Terima kasih buat siswa-siswa yang sudah join meeting ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.